Isinstance and issubclass return conflicting results. How do you explain isinstance hello, object, returns true whilst issubclass hello, object, returns false? And
it's because you are using old-style classes, so it doesn't derive from object. Try this instead. Old-style classes are deprecated, and you shouldn't use them anymore. In Python 3.x, all classes are new style and writing object is no longer required.
The accepted answer is correct, but seems to miss an important point. The built-in functions isinstance and issue_class asked two different questions. Isinstance object, class info, asks whether an object is an instance of a class, or a tuple of classes. Issue_class class info, asks whether one class is a subclass of another class, or other classes. In either method, class info can be a class, type, or tuple of classes, types, and such tuples. Since classes are themselves objects, isinstance applies just fine. We can also ask whether a class is a subclass of another class. But we shouldn't necessarily expect the same answer from both questions. Bar is a subclass of foo, not an instance of it. Bar is an instance of type which is a subclass of object, therefore the class bar is an instance of object.
My answer pertains to Python 3. To expand upon Kaya's answer, the code below was helpful for me. We can see that isinstance object, class, respects inheritance, subclasses correctly.
So basically isinstance new underscore object, some underscore class, returns true if the object is an instantiated class of some underscore class. In other words, new underscore object is in some underscore class object. Issue class checks if the object has a subclass of some underscore class. Better explained with a simple example that makes perfect sense. No need for false test to explain this.
If you want similar, please consider subscribing.